Hey, let's learn how to create a quick plan in CashTrac. From the sidebar, click on the Quick Plan and select Buy a Car. Name the planner so that you remember it. Select the start date of the planner, which is the day you want to start the down payment. Adjust the duration of the planner to span 5 years in the modal. In the form details, fill fields like down payment, monthly loan payments, insurance, and fuel costs. Change the frequency for maintenance and repairs and enter the amount. Scroll down and select the Import Base Planner option. This feature will make sure that the inflows and outflows recorded in the base planner are included in this planner too. Select Create Planner to create a planner named Honda in CashTrac. Change the projection time to 5 years. As the graph is negative, that means you won't have enough cash to make this purchase in 2026.